The NASDAQ is quickly closing in on 11,000. Let's bring in Alan Knuckman, a pro trader with Agora Financial, who's playing that tech takeoff. Nice calls on our show, Alan. What do you want to talk about today as tech leads the way?
Hi, Angie. Here we go again. It's the tech trend. It's a tech takeoff once again. Trading between 10,000 and 11,000. We talked about that before. It's broken out to the upside, so we're looking for still another 1,000 point pop.
Bring us up to date. How are your options trading setups coming along?
Current positions that we have. We've got Micron, MU, Oxy. We need something to happen there. Oracle, we took profits on half of it, but those plays have 2.5 weeks left. If we look at September plays with 6 weeks of time, we've got Cisco looking for that to break out above 48, looking for Twitter to make another push on 40, and then also Snap has a gap above at 24. So a lot of key levels to look at to get this market on the move once again.
This week, your WPI trade trigger is pointing to a Chinese e-commerce company that you have traded before, JD.com.
The trade trigger this week is JD.com. We've been here before, the China comeback. This stock is up 80% in 2020, so it's been a momentum mover. For the last couple of weeks, it's been stalled here between 60 and 70 for 2 months, and it's up almost 100% off its lows that we had earlier this year. So the play we're looking at is that super support at 60, the September 60 call, again, 6 weeks of time. 60 is the bottom of that range. And then if we can get this to break out, our first target is that 70 high, and then we're looking for the market to move to 80.
Before you take off, let's get your trading day takeaways, Alan.
Trader takeaway number 1, party past 1999. Gold closed above 2,000 for the first time ever, and that's mainly because of this dollar dive that we've been seeing. So that's very positive for a lot of assets, including all of our stock plays. Number 2, vol fall. Speaking of a drop, we're around the $22 range here this week in volatility, the VIX. That's off of that 85 high that we had earlier this year in February. Now there's a gap down below 22 that still should be filled, and when that happens, that should be positive for stocks. And then lastly, 3Me. S&P 3300 continues to stair step higher. It's 50%, let me say that again, 50% above those March lows. Now 3 is the number because we're now 3% away from the all-time forever top, which is in our sights.
Thank you, Alan, as always, and keep bringing us your trades.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.